Hi there. Today I'm going to walk you through Boomalert's simple drag and drop tool used by clients to build bespoke cascades, commonly known as workflows that match incident alerting process requirements. On the left hand side of the screen you can see the Cascade builder, and on the right hand side you have predefined triggers, groups, messages, expected response values, actions and reports. You can also select the required communication method and time delay between cascades. Scan over each entity icon to highlight which features can be inserted into the Cascade builder. Here I scan over Trigger, which highlights the Trigger, Actions, Cascades and Report buttons. I'm going to click on the Trigger button, which reveals options on how we are going to initiate the cascade. In this example, we are building a cascade for a call-out, requesting an engineer to tend to a service outage. What we are seeing in this field are the options of email or SMS triggers. We will choose to trigger this particular alert by email, and so we drag and drop it like so. Next we must decide who is receiving the alert, in this case the engineers, so we go into Groups, select the predefined engineer group and drop it into the Members entity icon. For communication method, we're going to choose SMS. However, you also have the ability to notify by email and voice, either simultaneously or staggered. Message. We are alerting the engineers about an urgent job that needs completing. So I will drag and drop this predefined message into here. The message will include instructions on how to respond. In this case, an engineer must respond with the value 1 to claim the job. We also want to manage any responses that fail to match the expected response value of 1 by triggering an auto reply that asks the recipient for a correct response. In order to manage this part of the cascade, we need to map expected response values with the required actions. This is a 3-part procedure. First, I need to click on the expected response values button and drop the number 1 and the mismatched expected response values onto the Response A entity icon in the Cascade builder. Second of all, I need to select Actions. I will choose to trigger both a sub-cascade and an auto-reply. This particular sub-cascade will send a message acknowledging the first engineer has successfully claimed the job, and it will also carry out any subsequent process requirements. The auto-reply, as we mentioned, will handle a mismatched response from an engineer. Finally, I need to click on the Response A entity icon, which opens the response map window, and here I match the actions with the corresponding expected response values. Here we have the option to set a time delay between cascade stages, which is used if you wish to escalate an alert across other communication channels or to other stakeholders. If we wanted to escalate the alert to an email or voice message after 5 minutes, I would click on Time Delay, select 5 minutes and drop it here, before creating a subsequent stage to manage the next communication channel. Beneath there is the Report button, which enables you to trigger reports to incident stakeholders in real time. I will select a report to send to the incident manager, notifying them about which engineer has claimed the job. Finally, to end the cascade, we will drop an action onto the End Cascade entity icon. Here I can select a predefined Count Reached action, which will automatically finish the workflow once an engineer has claimed the job. As you can see, Boomalert's drag and drop cascade tool is very user-friendly, making it easy for an organisation to build workflows around any type of incident they need to manage.